It's a very busy day out here. So many birds. Those are red robins running around in my backyard. They also have a different bird right there. Don't know what kind is that. They all seem to be in harmony. I'm not sure what they're eating. You can hear them singing. Lots of birds around. It's been raining, so I'm thinking probably there are some worms coming out of the ground, and that's what they're looking for. Yeah, I saw that one eating something. Red robin. 2 of them. There's another one walking over there. It's pretty busy. Listen to the sounds. I like the way they walk. Oh wow, huge airplane flying low. There's an airport very close to my house, so it's a busy route here for airplanes. Just chilling. It's a lot of activities down here. Lots of birds. You can see the trees are green everywhere. You can hear how busy it is with the birds singing, chirping. That one over there is not a red robin, but that one I think they're the same kind. Someone said they are invasive. One seems like it's feeding the other, so maybe one is a baby. Somebody said they eat eggs and babies of these little birds right there. Somewhere say they are European, so I don't know how they got to the US. They must have flown over the ocean, obviously. Once in a while they come on my deck here, balcony. Because as you can see, I got some water and rice. Right now they are not interested. Tiny. Alright, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. If you are not subscribed, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.